In this video, I'll show you how to build a native mobile app with BASE44. First, open your web browser and go to the BASE44 website. Sign into your account and create a new project. Next, open the Builder chat and describe the mobile app you want to create. Explain the purpose of the app, the features you need, the target users, and the design style you want. Now, ask BASE44 to create a mobile-friendly app layout. Include features like user accounts, navigation, forms, notifications, databases, and any specific functionality your app requires. After that, review the generated app and test the different screens. Use the Builder chat to make changes, add new features, improve the design, or adjust the mobile experience. Next, connect any required services, such as databases, APIs, authentication, or other integrations. Make sure all features work correctly on mobile devices. Finally, test your app, make final improvements, and prepare it for publishing or sharing with users. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to build a native mobile app with BASE44. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.